tonight. West Virginia Senior Senator Shelley Moore Capito is finally taking action against the layoffs of hundreds of federal workers at the National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health, or NIOSH, in Morgantown. Bob Aaron reports that Capito sent a letter to Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. urging him to reinstate NIOSH's coal-related programs and bring back some of the specialized employees who are working on them.
Even though some of the hundreds of firings at NIOSH in Morgantown haven't taken effect yet, the reduction in force decision by Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. appears to have effectively shut down the research facility for worker safety and health. There hasn't been much pushback by West Virginia officials, but now Senator Shelley Moore Capito has written Kennedy urging him to reconsider. Capito still backs his effort to make massive cuts, but says many of the NIOSH cuts are a mistake. Workers who got the bad news April Fool's Day were pleased to get any backing.
Well, we're encouraged and grateful to see Senator Capito is taking a strong stand in support of the critical work carried out by NIOSH. This work saves lives.
Senator Capito didn't have much to say about the layoffs when they happened. Now she's saying Kennedy should reconsider because it might interfere with the president's energy policy, where coal is supposed to play a role. The letter highlighted the important role NIOSH plays in the health and well-being of West Virginia coal miners.
This isn't done anywhere else in the country, and it's been shut down. And I worry that if we're not doing the research, that we're not keeping our workplaces safe as it could be. I worry about the 400 people, obviously, that have lost their jobs. A lot of these are professional PhDs on through, and I think this is a talent that we have in West Virginia we don't want to lose.
Capito still claims a belief in what she calls the president's vision to right-size our government, but doesn't think eliminating the NIOSH coal programs and research will accomplish that goal. In Charleston, Bob Aaron, Eyewitness News.
Bob, thank you. And many employees at NIOSH were notified they were getting fired back on April 1st, although some of the reduction in force is not scheduled to take effect until June 30th. And now there will be a rally to save NIOSH and to protect West Virginia workers tomorrow from 11 a.m. until noon in Morgantown.